Welcome back. Today I have the Bose SoundSport free earphones and I'll show you how to pair them with your iPhone. First, remember to charge them to at least 20%, then remove them from the case. Go to Settings on your iPhone, tap on Bluetooth and enable it by tapping the switch. After a few moments, the Bose earphones will appear in the list. Tap to select them. Once connected, you can play audio to confirm the pairing. That's how you pair them with your iPhone or any other iOS device. If you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment,